Hello, fellow options traders and investors. Welcome to my channel. This video is part of a series of videos depicting the step-by-step process on how you can trade various option strategies on the Interactive Brokers IBKR Mobile App. This video will focus on walking you through to set up a bull put credit spread. Just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor, so everything that I share in this channel is not financial advice. My content is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay then, let's start today's video. The first step would be to select the Search tab on the bottom of the IBKR Mobile App. Then select the search box as shown and type the name of the counter that you would like to trade. Today we would be using Microsoft for this demonstration. Please select the Options tab as shown to enter into the Options Chain page. Once you are on the Options Chain page, you can select the days to expiry of your choice. This is also known as DTE. A bull put credit spread consists of two legs, a short put plus a long put at a lower strike price than the short put. Short here means we are selling, and long means we are buying, denoted by the red and blue boxes respectively. After the selection of both your strikes, you'll be able to see the current mid, ask, and bid price for this credit spread. You can use them to have a feel on the current potential premium available for this trade. Select the Order button to proceed. Quality of 1 means 100 shares for U.S. stocks. For order type, I always use limit order. This is to have more control. For the limit price, this is a premium that you are looking to collect. An easy way to ensure you are collecting premium. Disregard the negative or positive sign. Just look for the word credit instead. For time in force, I will choose good till cancel unless I do not wish to enter the trade after a day. Finally, hold and slide the buy button to submit your order. And just like that, we have submitted our bull put credit spread order on Microsoft. This video is simply showing the steps on how to execute such trade on this platform. The considerations on nuances of how to decide parameters, such as when to enter, which strike price, DT, etc., to select will be discussed in subsequent videos. If you feel I am providing value, please help me to click like, share, and subscribe. I wish everyone here is having a wonderful day. Please stay safe and manage your risk. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the next video.